Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how I style my old hair. This is an old braid out that is almost 2 weeks old and it's close to wash day, so I don't want to restyle or rebraid. So I'm going to show you guys how I do 2 simple updos that requires no additional product. So all you need is water, and I'm going to start by spraying water around the perimeter of my hair. I'm just going to spray it all the way around. And next, I'm going to use my soft bristle brush to brush my hair up all the way around from the sides, the front, and the back. So next, all you'll need for these hairstyles is a stretchy headband. Mine is super old, so it's very stretched out. So I double it and just wrap it around my hair. And for the first style, all I do is push the back of my hair forward until I get it to where I want it and just push it into the pineapple style. And then I just fluff it with my hands, shaping and molding my hair into the desired style that I want. And this is the final look. This is the classic pineapple updo. It's so simple yet so elegant and so regal, and I love how simple it is. I personally didn't use any additional products. I didn't use any gels. I feel like my hair looks just fine without it, and this is just one of those hairstyles that you can always go to on old hair. So now we're moving on to style number 2. So I take my hairband out, and style number 2 is basically just the puff, the high puff. This hairstyle was my go-to hairstyle ever since I transitioned all the way throughout my natural hair journey. But recently it's been kind of difficult for me to achieve it. As you guys can see right here, my hair is too long for me to create a high puff. So what I do, I just spritz it with water and just allow it to shrink, and that's it. That's the secret. So if your hair is too long for a puff, all you need is some H2O, spray it on your hair and just allow it to shrink. And you can see my hair begins to shrink immediately, literally within seconds. It shrinks back up into that puff, and that's it. I just fluff it with my fingers and mold it into the shape that I want. The back of my hair is looser and longer, so it needed a little extra spritz of water, and I allowed that to shrink as well, and I tucked it into the back of my hair, and that's it. So now this is the final look. I feel like you can never go wrong with the high puff. It has been my go-to hairstyle ever since I big chopped, and I absolutely love it. It comes in handy on bad hair days and on old hair like this one. I personally call it my save a life hairstyle, and even though my hair has gotten longer, I'm still able to achieve it thanks to the power of shrinkage. So I hope these 2 hairstyles were helpful. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.